Dictation start. In Gurpreet Singh versus State of Haryana, the appellant and his wife, deceased Kalpana, had a love marriage full stop. They were living together in a flat at Gurgaon full stop. Since both the wife and husband did not pull well, they filed a joint petition on 14/12/1993 seeking divorce by mutual consent under Section 13B of the Hindu Marriage Act full stop. Prior to filing of the petition, they had purchased the said flat in which they were living in their joint name full stop. The deceased had 50% share in the flat, and the consent petition for divorce created an obligation for the appellant to pay rupees 3 lakh to the wife full stop. In the night of 13/14 to 1994, around 11 or 11:30 pm, there were some shrieks and cries from the house of Gurpreet Singh, and Ashok Mazumdar, a resident of locality, got up from sleep and saw from the window that the smoke was emitting from the apartment of the appellant full stop. He noticed that appellant and his servant were present there full stop. The neighborly gesture prompted Ashok Mazumdar to telephone both police and fire brigade full stop. When the police sub-inspector reached, he found the appellant sitting in his room while the victim Kalpana was laying in burnt condition in another room. The room in which accused appellant was sitting was not having marks of burns full stop. The sub-inspector sent a ruka that Kalpana had been murdered by setting her on fire, on the basis of which FIR was recorded full stop. The burnt remains of clothes of deceased were taken into possession by Inspector Murari Lal, PW7 full stop. On 16 to 1994, the appellant was arrested because Ashok Mazumdar, PW1, mentioned in his statement that about 15-16 days prior to the occurrence, he had seen Gurpreet Singh, appellant, beating his wife Kalpana, and she was bleeding from her mouth full stop. It was held that it is to be noticed that there is no eyewitness account of the accident/incident, but the investigating officer found the appellant sitting in the other room, and the body of his wife was totally burnt in a sitting posture. That, of course, goes on well with the medical jurisprudence that since heat would have the effect of stiffening and contraction of muscle, causing the arms to become flex and knees bent full stop. The photographs produced before the court show the devastation of fire, obviously a definite attempt to see that one does not survive in any event full stop. The appellant accused has not offered any reason nor explanation except a plea of alibi, which was proved to be false full stop. The chain of events dispel any doubt, and there seems sufficient evidence on record to connect the appellant with a brutal killing of a wife, the motive of which is apparent full stop. Therefore, the conviction of appellant for the offence of murder and sentence of life imprisonment was upheld by the Supreme Court full stop.